That's nice. Flames kill all bacteria. Kick some serious chicken on that. I haven't looked at the video yet, but I'm pretty certain that I caught it. I got a vertical object moving right to left on the other side of a burn. I estimated put it about 7 feet in height. And obviously you can hear it moving around, making all kinds of noise. And a footprint. Wow. And I mean, wow. When I think back to the early days when I was doing this, and I'd see blob squatches and freak out, and how much I've learned. There's a learning curve, and now I've combined tracking and skills with the right areas and honing right in on it. Again, as I said in the other video, I had a lot of help on this one. I was turned on to this area by a group that's been working it for a long time. So I can't take the credit. I really didn't do anything other than go down into the area where they said to go, and there it was. So they weren't yanking my chain, and it took them years to narrow this area down. They did all the work. It's like somebody giving you the coordinates to where the pot of gold is, and you just follow the coordinates and go there, and there's the pot of gold. So barred owl, or is it? These things mimic. Okay. Man, I can feel that heat on my face. Isn't that something? Wow. I'm coming down again with another cold, damn it. It's been freezing though.